What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add an about you section to your LinkedIn profile page. So what you want to do is simply click your profile on the upper left top on your profile here, and once you're on your page you will click the add section button. Now under the core section here you will find about you. You can simply tap on that, and from here you can basically fill in whatever you need to fill about you, right? So you'll have the option to fill in some details here about you. Once you fill in details about you, you will be able to basically save that, right? So once you fill in whatever you need, you'll be able to save it, and that's going to be showing up on your page, right? So that's how you can add the about you section. You can add anything else about yourself, so whether it's a career, whether it's a position, whether some services, some skills. You can also look under the recommended section. You have different features here, you have different things that you can add, projects, courses, and all those different things, right? And you also have additional section as well, which you can add publications, right? You can add your honors and awards and all those good things, languages, organization, all of these things you can just simply add to it, right? So as you can see, for example, languages, I've added languages, and if I scroll down on my page you will see that I have a section called languages and also courses. You can add them there to your page or your profile page as well. And that's how you do it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you do it on your mobile, whether it's on your Android or your iOS device. It's super easy to do it on your phone. Very easy and very simple.